This is my Saiga 12 and I adore it. To hit that top cookie and just flick it off, and my margin for error is very teeny. Whew, that wind is icy. Actually, that was quite beautiful. This is Kirsten Weiss, and today I'm gonna do a fan requested video, and that is to shoot Oreo cookies. But I'm going to expound on that a bit and do a trick shot where I just shoot, or attempt to shoot, the top off the Oreo cookie. So think that the wind is supposed to pick up later today. I can actually feel it picking up right now, and I'm already getting a little bit cold, but we're gonna try to shoot this top off this Oreo cookie and reveal the delicious icing in the center, because you know that that's everybody's favorite part. Well, maybe not everybody, but most people, that's their favorite part. So let's shoot the top off an Oreo cookie. So there's about a 10 to 15 mile an hour wind, and my margin for error is very teeny. I'm trying to get that top cookie, and that's it, and just hit it at an angle. All right, so the cookie is on a plate, and I couldn't secure it to the plate. I thought that I could tape it down, but cookies just don't tape. Oreo cookies hate tape. So I have to hit that top cookie and just flick it off. That's the goal, at least, but I'm not sure, because that cookie's not secure on the bottom, if it's just gonna go with it. So we'll see what happens. Well, I hit it, but I'm not sure that I hit it correctly, so let's go check it out. Well, I certainly hit that cookie. And you can see that I only hit the top. So this didn't quite pop though, it just broke the cookie. So this icing must be made of something pretty substantial, and I'm not sure that people should eat it. But let's give it another chance and see if I can't blow off the full top, all right? Whew, that wind is icy. I did not expect that. Good thing I have my beanie. Woo. It's so cold. All right, let's see if I can hit that cookie top off this time. Let's see what happened. Let's see if we can't get it this time. Whew. Well, I would say that that's pretty close. It doesn't want to actually take the cookie top off, so I'm gonna say that that'll do. These cookies, they just crumble really easily. This icing might just be made of cement, so watch out, because I'm not so sure that this is all that healthy. Careful. So I would say that's as close as we're gonna get, but we're not done yet, because you can't have cookies without milk. And I've got just the gun to get it done. Now, a quick break. If you love freedom and you love what I do, keep watching. If you're a communist scumbag, skip to part 2. But if that's the case, I'm not sure why you're here in the first place. Hey guys, I'm here asking for you to be a part of what I do here, what we're doing here. This channel was created from the beginning to support the positive reality of shooting and the freedom that it protects. I've been sinking my own savings into the channel for years because I truly believe, and I know, and I've seen the results, that this is working. We are changing hearts and minds. It is a positive thing. I get messages from anti-gunners all the time, former anti-gunners now, that say, hey, I was totally anti-gun, and then I saw what you were doing. And now their heart is changed. So I can't do it without you guys. I am very thankful for your subscribes, your shares, your watches, your comments, your encouragement. It's amazing, but I want to take this bigger. I want this to grow larger, and I need your help. It is you supporting something that you believe in, supporting something that I believe in, so it can grow bigger and reach further. Let's do this. Well, they say that Oreos are milk's favorite cookies. I say we put that to the test. I got my Saiga 12 that I absolutely adore, and we are gonna see what this does to it. All right, are you ready? These are max loads, by the way. No light loads. These are max. So this is gonna kick. Actually, that was quite beautiful. I don't think there's any milk or cookies left, but that's exactly how I want to eat my milk and cookies for the rest of my life. So if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, check out the videos, and I will see you next time. Aim true and happy shooting. Oh my goodness. That certainly doesn't even need an extra shot. Wow, it's just the Oreos, they have become one with the ground. And it's just mud and Oreo everywhere. This is so interesting. Wow. You know, that's everybody's favorite part, at least it's mine. And if you like the cookie, I'll give you my cookies, because not a huge fan. Ugh, there's milk on the cow patties. That's something I never want to see in my life. That's, ugh, 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 ugh. That's gross.